Apparently somebody set up this machine on my counter. This actually is an SKG wide shoot slow masticating juicer. I like juicers, but I got rid of mine because I read a lot of stuff about the thinning action and the shredding action, producing heat, oxidizing the nutrients, making it decompose faster. I'm guessing that's why you set this up and why you're now using this
Yes.
the masticating juicer over here.
There's a couple reasons why you would want to get a slow juicer versus a high-speed juicer. The high-speed juicers, the motors heat up and the blades heat up, which can destroy the nutrients. The slow juicer compresses the ingredients slowly and it doesn't oxidize it as fast.
My dad says air is the enemy when it comes to preserving food. He was talking about donuts, but it works here too. I heard this thing is quieter than other juicers. Is that true?
Yes, if you are living with somebody and you need to juice in the morning and you don't want to wake them up.
Especially if you're a squatter, you're living in their house illegally, you don't want them to know you're even there, you can juice.
Yes.
Right?
And I don't know, can you still hear me?
Yeah, we can hold a conversation, you know, you can do all kinds of stuff.
We'll start with the carrot juice.
Wow, that thing really gets down to business.
The pulp is actually very dry. Is that dry?
Why am I the guinea pig?
No, not eat it, just feel it how dry it is.
Yeah, still pretty good. It's pretty dry.
This is great because most high-speed juicers, the pulp is very, very wet. You're basically wasting your product.
What else can you do with the pulp?
Carrot pulp, I make like a carrot salad.
Carrot cake?
Yes.
Different
You know.
recipes.
Yes, or you can just throw it at someone.
It's always an option. Are we gonna put an apple or two in there? Or are we just gonna drink straight carrot juice?
I usually like to add apples.
Mostly everything. Because an apple a day keeps the doctor away.
So the reason why I add an apple to a carrot juice because organic carrots are actually they could be very bitter, but the apple makes it a little sweeter. No way I'll be eating that much carrots per day.
Right, you're not a rabbit. Chew, food. The full definition of masticate is chew, parentheses, food, period. So basically this blender chews up the food, spits out the juice. So we as Americans especially have been eating conveniently, which means fast food, a lot of processed food, microwave dinners, a lot of stuff like that. I've noticed that in the past decade or so, the trend has been healthy, and this is going to pay off in the years to come with our generation, but it has forced me to make a decision, should I spend money, time, and effort on eating healthy? And I have concluded a resounding yes, which that $300 price tag, it might seem like a lot. However, it's all about investing in yourself, in my opinion.
Totally worth the investment from me because I just spend way too much money on organic food and I want to get the most out of it.
Everything fast seems to be bad for you. Fast food, all kinds of convenience. Ice cream is pretty fast. My point is, this masticating juicer is one of the slow kind. Slower the better. Everything good takes time and effort, right?
Yes.
I think so. That's the way it has been in history. The faster shredding juicers and that kind of sort, they don't leave virtually any pulp. The pulp they do spit out has some juice in it. So basically, they spit out all the pulp and some of the juice. This slow masticating juicer gives us the juice and some pulp in the juice. The pulp's good for fiber, digestion. It's pretty good with, not pretty good. I read that it prevents cancer, prevents the growth of cancerous tumors, that so on and so forth. So basically, we're pro pulp, people. Say hello.
This one is about 3 inches wide, which is awesome. You can put almost whole fruit. You don't even have to cut this up, which reduces your prep time. Who has time for that? You can literally put whole fruit. You can put a large pieces in here, which is awesome. It comes apart very easily, and you can, which is really nice compared to other juicers. Most slow juicers are very hard to take apart, and they're very hard to clean, and this one is easy. Another cool thing is this lid right here. When you close it, while you are juicing, the juice is not oxidating or exposed to more air, which is nice. Some people think it takes forever. But this one is actually it's pretty fast. And you will taste it, you will taste the difference. This will taste absolutely different than what you buy at the stores. It has a sweeter taste to it. What I usually do is take a jar, because every time you expose it to air, it oxidizes. Basically, you want it to oxidize as little as possible. After you're done juicing, it's very important to shut this lid very tightly so that there's no air coming through and so it does not oxidize. It lasts you about 3 to 4 days in the fridge. Best time to drink a juice is actually within 3 to 4 hours of juicing. You're getting the most nutrients out of it and the least amount of oxidation.
Let's see what this is all about. Doesn't taste like store-bought, I'll tell you that. It tastes pretty good. I just like it because I know nobody messed with it before it came from the orange. It goes straight to me. That's why I like it.
So this juicer actually does leave some pulp in it. Another reason why I love this particular juicer.
It feels like you're actually getting just the most amount of nutrients and the most amount of fiber and everything from this